Hey there, lovely folks. Today we're diving into a delightful treat, a cozy cup of dairy-free white chocolate matcha latte. It's the perfect fusion of creaminess and earthy goodness. This is the perfect drink to warm up your Christmas evenings. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Begin by melting your dairy-free white chocolate in a small saucepan, following the package instructions. Now, add in your blended organic coconut milk and unsweetened almond milk. Give it a gentle whisk on medium heat. Let's talk sweetness. Give it a taste, and if you want a touch of sweetness, you can add coconut sugar, about half a tablespoon at a time. I prefer mine without added sweetener, but that's totally up to you. Time for that gorgeous green goodness. Add a teaspoon of matcha powder and whisk it all together. For an extra velvety texture, feel free to use a milk frother. And there you have it. A delightful dairy-free white chocolate matcha latte that's not just a treat for your taste buds but also a warm hug for your soul. If you fancy a little extra sweetness and some fun, go ahead and top it off with some vegan marshmallows. It's absolutely scrumptious. Perfect for sipping by the fireplace or as a comforting pick-me-up any time of day. Now, show us some love by liking this video, subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with all vegan friends. Let us know on the comments which recipes you would like us to do. Stay warm, stay cozy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!